So here's the best Shopify themes on Envato Market. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your Chrome browser, and then here you have to search for the Shopify themes Envato, and then you have to click on this link. And once you click on this link, now it will give you various Shopify themes that you can integrate to your Shopify store. It will give you the various themes that you can choose from. It will also give you trending, popular, and other related themes as well. If you have a clothing brand and a Shopify store for clothing, then you can select a template from the clothing section, and then you have to click on it, and then you have to download the theme, and then you have to integrate into your Shopify store. Envato offers the best customizable themes for your Shopify store. Just to give you an example how you can download it and use it, here I'm gonna select this template, and once I have selected this template, now it will take me to this page here. After selecting your desired theme, now you have to click on the subscribe to download option, and you have to make sure that you are a subscriber of Envato Elements. If you are not a member of Envato, then you will not be able to download these customizable themes. You can select any of the themes that you want for your store. These themes are cheap and look more attractive, so I will recommend to use them. So that's the best Shopify themes on Envato Market.